Hey dudes, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode has this cool button here, and pretty much what this is a computer desk that I reviewed in the past. I wanted to do like an update video to talk about this product in terms of how well it's been working. So I think it's been around like 2 weeks and it's been working really well. I love it so much. The reason why I like it so much is just like how I mentioned before, the fact that how it is foldable and doesn't require any assembly when you guys do get it. Literally when you guys unpack it, this is how it actually looks like, which is really nice, so that would save a lot of time instead of like assembling the table. You guys know how to assemble it, which is pretty cool. And you see for the table, we left the corner protectors on here so that way no one can get hurt when they do use it because it is pretty sharp without it. Let me bring it a little bit closer to show you guys what I mean. So right to remove it, you can see how sharp it is when we do remove it. So that is why I leave this on. But if you guys do have the corner protectors and feel free to add your own, I decided to leave it on so it came with it. So in terms of the maintenance for the product, there's no issue just yet. Maybe after like a year or so, you probably have to add the oil just like what they mentioned. So that way the folded part right here won't rust and there won't be any wear or tear. But if you guys use it for like a few weeks, it should be fine. It's still going strong, you can see. So for those guys who did not see my previous video in terms of the unboxing video and how to set it up, let me actually open up to show you guys how to assemble it. So literally all you do is pull it open. Same thing for this side. And that is literally how you have to open it. The way how you have to close it, you have to go pretty fast and kind of strong, just like this. Or like I mentioned, if you guys want to use your feet, you have to kick it as well. But hold it when you guys do kick it, so that way you guys won't hurt yourself when it springs back. Just like that. Very easy and very simple. And like I mentioned, for the bottom of the feet, they do have this option for you to turn it. So that way you make it higher or lower based on your own preference. And that's actually really convenient, especially when you guys do have like an uneven floor. But here's what the bottom part looks like, if you can see. And every time when I finish using it as a dining table, I can wipe it down really easily. The way how to advertise it is for you guys to use a computer desk. But like I mentioned, if you guys want to use it as a dining table, feel free to do so. Let me open up and put it on the floor to show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys do assemble it. So once you guys do assemble it, this is what the pot looks like. And when you guys do lift it, it's actually very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. For the one that got right here is a 39-inch. They do have this available in a bigger or smaller size. So depending if you guys want a bigger one or smaller one, that is totally up to you guys. And in terms of color, we do have the white one. They do have this available in a few other design and different colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research with that to see which one you guys prefer. But here is what the bottom part looks like. You can see, literally no assembly required or no installation required when you guys do get it. And that is everything that's on the product. So you can see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long and it's very easy for you to use it. And like I mentioned, I've been using this for over 2 weeks and it's been going really strong. There's something about the materials on here that's so easy for you to clean it. But if you guys do use like a marker or something, they probably will stain. But if you guys get a little bit of mess on here, it should be very easy for you to clean it. So after using the product for a few weeks, would I say that it's still pretty worth it? So for me personally, I would have to say that it's still pretty worth it even after using it for 2 weeks because it doesn't require you guys to assemble it like I mentioned, and it is foldable for you to save space when you guys are not using a table, which is pretty cool. But then obviously with those you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.